Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a formal shirt. First, let's prepare. Always check your shirt's care label for the ideal iron temperature. Fill your iron with distilled water to avoid mineral buildup. Make sure your ironing board is stable and has a clean cover. If your shirt is dry, lightly mist it with water using a spray bottle. This helps immensely with wrinkle removal. Now, let's tackle the collar and cuffs, which are often the most visible parts. Start with the collar's underside, ironing from the edges towards the center. Then, flip it and iron the top side until it is perfectly crisp. Next, unbutton the cuffs and iron their inside, followed by the outside. Pay close attention to the cuff placket for a polished look. Moving on to the sleeves and yoke. Lay one sleeve flat, carefully aligning the seams. Iron from the shoulder down to the cuff, being sure to avoid creating a sharp crease down the middle. A gentle curve looks more professional. Repeat this for the second sleeve. Finally, iron the shirt's yoke, which is the upper back part, working smoothly from one side to the other. For the main body, place one front panel on the board, starting with the placket and carefully ironing around the buttons. Work your way around the entire shirt, ironing the back and then the other front panel. Once complete, immediately hang your perfectly pressed shirt on a good hanger. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before wearing or storing to set the fabric and prevent new creases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.